ngiyachata fela cela singahlekela abantu baphela ngokuphela xa ndirayima cela uconcentrate after ndiqibile mfana usucelebrate ungatyhafi uzunyamezele ubomi bunzima mfana uzubambelele noba bangathini uzungabanaki sebekuhlasela ntwana uzungabesabi umama notata babengaphangeli kwakunzima ekhaya impilo inganyamezeleki kwakunzima bakungalaleki namathumba eswini entshiloze enganqandeki everyday ndiguqa ngamadolo but still ulutsha liboniswa ngenombolo ndandingayazi lalivele litshone emini now ndiyayazi kubuhlungu ebomini
mangaqala from scratch I won't finish ithi nhle kukhule kancane I see dead people in my dreams I'm having bad nightmares I see things I do things I face things that are hard to understand my mom is in a brown coffin I'm in a silver tin bangishisile sleeping next to my mom kunzima nokuthi singene esigodini kugcwele abantu baphethe ibani ugogoza lathini usaphila ngolu search noma gesh baphethe ichova bambethe ibheli icherry yami imbathisa ingubo emhlophe mambuza ugoguthi thula mabodo konke kuzolunga madlozi ambekile ugabula yindoda emadodeni uthixo usemazulwini angithi khala mandengwane khala mandengwane
Ebomini kunzima ngizamile mara ngawe kodwa ngizixelele ukuba ngeke ngincame kuba usombawu ukhona mangibona indlela engisobola ngayo ngivele ngizive ingade ngingedwa mara ukukhala akusizi batshela
I'm in the desert, there's an open grave in front of me and my name is written on the tombstone. I couldn't understand what I see. I hear voices calling my name. I'm going fast, oh Shivas, oh Jesus. Tabangan, the time has come now. I take a chance back, as women like a job. It's paga sombo sengamafabo. I put to me, I hear screams of pain from the children of the world. Batila shabalal embebes eKrayston kumazam yami emehloka soon only pisul sipinyoni zezulu awubabomkhulu avele ucela uthuli the sitting on my tombstone sipping wine it's blood after blood nemvula esenethe njelele ashoba lamithi ntitha lamathambo ahlangana nakumele iskulu
Production, forefathers, but I'm a para nangqondo. We did it again,